So today we'll discuss about SSH. SSH means secure shell. It is a remote access protocol. From a PC, we can remotely access the router or a switch. Okay, but it is secured remote access protocol, not like Telnet. Telnet also we can remotely access the router or a switch from a computer, but the details, the data which you are used now in the Telnet is not secure. It is not encrypted. So what we need? We need a secure remote access protocol so that from a PC we can access the router or a switch and the data transfer will be secured or encrypted. For that I use SSH or secure shell. Okay. So what are things we should do is we want to set the domain name for that communications. Here I set soharoil.com. Username should be there. The privilege level. Okay. So 15 you have to put here. Then password or secret password one Cisco 123. For encrypting we need key. No, the key size is 1024 bits. Then set the IP SSH version 2. Version 1 and 2 is there. We put version 2. More security. Okay. Then IP SSH authentication retry 2. That means if you give two times wrong password, third times you will be pushed out. Okay. Then we have IP SSH timeout. Okay. So IP SSH timeout in the sense how long the router or a switch will wait for your password. Okay. So here I put 75 seconds. So within 75 seconds, if you don't give password, system will time out. Okay. The router will exit you. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do now. These are the commands I have to do. So I'll go to the router. This is my router. I'll bypass the password. You don't do that. You should use the password. Now, so first command is set the domain name as soharoil.com. IP domain name soharoil.com. IP domain name soharoil.com. Done. After that, crypto key generate RSA. We want to generate a key. Crypto means cryptography, a technique used to convert data into secret form. Cryptography. Generate a key from the algorithm RSA. This algorithm where we generate, okay, we are going to generate the key. The key size 1024. So we should go here. Crypto key generate RSA. By default it is 512. Key length is, now I want to make 1024. It's a multiple of 512. Okay, so put 1024 key size. Okay, bits. Then username I give Sohar. Username Sohar. Privilege, what is the value you give here for privilege? 15 and secret password 123. Privilege 15, secret password Cisco 123. This is the password, like enable secret, no? So secret password and the username is given here, privilege level, more security, Cisco 123. Then what else we have here is you want to make that lines 0 to 15 only for SSH. You would assign those lines only for SSH. So I will write here line VTY 0 to 15 transport input. We have different option. If you want to enable that port for all protocols, means all. None means no protocols will be assigned or allotted with that ports. Okay. SSH means only for SSH you have to assign this port. Telnet means only for Telnet. So I am going to assign for SSH. SSH. Then what's the command? Login local. Use the username password which you already given in the first line, the third line. This will be used. Login local. So go here, login local. Then you want to configure the SSH version. IP SSH version 2. IP SSH timeout 75 seconds. Then We have one more command, authentication retry. How many times you will try the wrong password? Okay, IPS until the server go SSH server block you. Okay, IPSSH authentication retry 2. Okay, so we have done this configuration. I put do WR in configuration mode. Now I'll check the configuration done or not. Show IP SSH is enabled version 2 authentication timeout 75 seconds. You have to enter the password within 75 seconds. You can give two wrong password. Third time it will be, you will be pushed out. Okay. Now how do we test this? I want to go to a computer. I'm going to this computer. Go to command prompt SSH minus L, small l, not confused with 1, it is L. Then username is Sohar I give. And the IP address is 192.168.12.1. Password I gave Cisco123. See, banner message came. Now I am entering into the router from the PC itself, like telnet, but here the data will be encrypted. Okay, I can even configure something here. Host name Sohar Oils. I put the capital letter. I change this one. Now do WR exit exit. I'll go back to the router and check what is the host name now. It changed. This is how you do the SSH configuration and testing. Hope you understand. See you in the next video.